How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a name and a subject line on your Klaviyo ad campaigns or email campaigns. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you're going to need to do is you want to head over to your Klaviyo account as an administrator, and once you guys are on the dashboard, you want to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen until you see the option that says campaigns. So from here, you want to click on campaigns. Let's actually do a random test one. Okay, so I have a draft here. It's a newsletter. So we can click on the three ellipses to actually edit it, to edit campaign. So it's going to take us to this page right here. So this is what we're trying to look to edit, right? We want it to be bold text, or we basically want it to be the subject line for our email campaigns or our newsletters. So what we're going to do here is we want to click on actually the fastest way is to click on change template, and you want to select out of these three options, you can click on drag and drop since it's the most straightforward one. So assuming that you guys don't have a template, let's actually do create a blank email, because we're just looking for to get a line of code that we're going to add to our subject line. So to do it, what you need to do here is click on any element within Klaviyo, like the default one that says text. So this one right here, any text element or icon or text box will do. So as you guys can see here, I clicked on this. So from here, you'd want to click on add personalization, and then you want to select first name. So here it is. So we're going to insert. And here we are. Wait, let's actually undo that. Okay, so that's what it was. So we're going to copy this text right here. So you either do Control X, Control C, it doesn't really matter. Just be sure to not save the edits that you make on this page. So you want to go back, done. Go back to recipients. Actually, this one's done. So we go back to content. And then you want to add your subject line here. Once you add this line of code, it's not actually going to appear on your newsletter or whatever you're adding it to, but you want to input a text after the space after the line of code. So it's going to be space, let's say big sale today, and it's going to display in bold text as the first thing that your subscribers are going to see. So that's one way to do it. And in between these quotations, you could add something like urgent, or basically any text you want. And that's honestly it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do get like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.